There's a man right here. Yeah, skilled welder. Gonna be in my YouTube video. Explain to YouTube what those are.
Pylons. These are caps. We're capping this right now. All this do is hold down the concrete.
Love the kicks.
Gotta make sure it's on there.
If you want a break.
Yeah, I'm taking a break.
It's done anything. Explain to us, when you're going in only on one side, is that going through the whole around or just on one corner?
It's one plug weld. The plug weld.
Let us know about welding. We don't know about welding.
I know a little something.
Is there a hole that you're going through on that side?
I made a hole.
You made a hole.
Yeah. Basically, the plate goes on top. Plate goes on top, and it got a coupler. The coupler goes over, and I burn a hole. Burn a hole through the coupler to this pipe.
And then that just seals it. Okay.
Yep. And it ain't gonna.
There goes the kick.
It ain't gonna move.
It ain't gonna move.
Nope. Unless the whole thing moves. The whole thing moves. There's a connection in the middle. You would have to dig down, and I'll have to weld that together. But
There's a connection on that pipe?
yeah, it's the extensions that we use. You'll slide another pipe. That's how they drilled it down. They put extensions on here, and then you put bolts. But sometimes the bolts they get loose from them drilling. The holes will be like freaking way over here.
It hollows itself out.
Exactly.
Why don't they just weld it then?
Who knows? Tell them, just weld it.
Just weld it.
I'm
Say
done
call
here.
me. Say call me.
Right? Call Ken.
Call Ken, the welder.
I'm gonna cut it off here. I'm gonna cut it off. Why don't you keep an eye up on this plate like this here? Yeah, okay, fine. I got it tomorrow. I'm gonna dig it up tomorrow. So the concrete will go around? Yeah, round up. Yeah. I'm gonna wash it into it.
International position and room for maneuver. We have already long actively participated in NATO activities.
I got it. Okay, then. I'll come back.
Time to put concrete in like this. See that?
That whole wagon will build right across the two.
It can be thicker, like
Yeah.
another 8 inches. Back.
Yeah.
All right.
I need at least 4 inches on that wall then.
A little bit more than that.
More than that?
You can get 4 inches. I'll keep it close up against you.
Huh?
I'll keep it close up against you. You can get 4 inches.
Okay.
I'll keep it close here.
I don't. Why not make it out that? I know when they pour concrete, some go up and down like this, but why should I take off that?
You ain't got to take it off.
That's what I want.
So the bench coming right into here.
Yeah.
You got to worry about that. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You ain't got to take nothing. I'll just take this off and that's it.
That's what I want to do. Yeah.
So see the bench and the seat coming right into here.
Yeah.
So you'd be like 26 out with the bench and the seat.
Exactly right.
So
Yeah.
you ain't got to take none of that off. All the thing gonna take off, move that stuff out, take that steel out,
Steel out.
and cut that
I'll
off,
cut it up tomorrow, yeah.
and just grade these down like I got that over
Okay,
there.
fine.
That's it.
Okay.
And it's all in all state hands. It's in good hands then.
All right. You're the best, Adam. You're number one in my book. I see a lot of here, Adam. Don't walk over. Oh. I don't want you to climb and hit your balls.
They might be need a boost. They might need a boost, Phil.
Okay.
Okay.